Everyone, welcome back. A lot of you will never forget that freak October storm we had back in 1987. It was a Saturday into a Sunday. Biggest snowstorm ever so early for Albany, 6.5 inches of snow. This is what the snow map looked like. Remember, the trees had still had leaves on them. 6 to 12 in the hill towns, Catskills up to 18. We had reports of over 20 inches of snow in the high elevations of Rensselaer County, extreme western Berkshire County. Then it dropped off significantly, and there was more snow around here than up in the Adirondacks. It was very localized, but extremely heavy. We have some video from 1987. Is this hard to believe? I mean, stranded. Plows weren't ready to plow, obviously. It was obviously a surprise. Weight of the snow snapped trees everywhere. It sounded like gunfire in the woods. It was so loud. Over 200,000 people lost power. I mean, look at this video. And for some, they lost power for up to 2 weeks. It still ranks as the worst and earliest October storm ever in upstate New York and parts of New England. All right, let's go to today's weather. Look at this. Gorgeous. The view at Siena College, a little bit of color in the